All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 16 of our May Daily Math. Number 1. True or false? 78 divided by 1 equals 1. What do you think? 78 divided by 1 equals... So that's basically saying how many times does 1 go into 78? 1? False. That's 78. Second piece of that is 40 times 5 equals 5 times 40. True or false? Anyone know the name of that? What property of multiplication is that? Remember? Is it associative? Are you associating something with something else? Is it distributive? Are you distributing it into different sections and adding? No. Commutative. It's community. Doesn't matter. This way, this way, this way, this way. Doesn't matter. It's the same thing. True. Boom. And 5 times 0 equals 0. True or false? Hey, that's also a property of multiplication. That's the 0 property, right? The 0 property says that number times the 0 is always going to be 0. True. Number 2, let's do some 3-digit subtraction. We have 612, and we are going to subtract 493. Haha, here we go. Oh, more on the floor. Borrow from next door. 12 minus 3 is 7, 8, 9. 0 minus 9? More on the floor. Borrow from next door. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 119. All right, number 3. Here we go. Check that farm out. Nice looking fence around there. Farmer put 60 feet of fence around his L-shaped garden to keep the rabbits out. What is the missing side length? Okay, so we need to figure out the question mark over here, right? We know total that the fence or the perimeter is 60 feet. So if we figure out what all of this adds up to, and then we take 60 feet minus all of that, it'll give us that. So it's like part, and then the whole is 60. So we kind of got the whole part, the whole, right? Now we need a bunch of parts. So let's add them together. I'm going to add this, 6 and 4, because they go together. So there's 10 feet. And 5 and 15 go together. That's 20. And 10, it goes all the way across the side. So right there we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 40 feet. Oh, 60 feet total. So 60 feet minus the 40 feet total, the other part, collection of parts, leaves the missing part 20 feet. Okay? Now, if it were the true L rectangular shaped thing here, garden, we could also add the 5 and the 15. That's the same length as this. If it's a true rectangle, and 5 and 15 is also 20. So that would have been another way to get to 20. Okay? All right, let's look at number 4. This tree has 2 nests. Okay, I see both nests there, 1 and 2. Each nest has 3 eggs. Okay, well, how many eggs is that? 3 plus 3, 6, right? Okay, so there's 6 eggs in that tree. And if there are 4 more trees exactly like this one, how many eggs are there in all? So there's 4 more that also have 6 eggs, meaning how many trees total? Okay, there's this one here on the page, and then there's 4 more, so that would be 5 trees with 6 eggs in each tree equals 6 times 5 is 30 eggs. Okay? And our last one, number 5. Draw a polygon on this grid with an area of 15 units. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. And there's a bunch that go across. Okay, so we're going to pretend that each one of these is a line yet. Okay. Thanks for not making me do this like so expertisely. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Eight there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have a 6 by 8 array up there, and we need to draw a polygon with an area of 15 units. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Now, why do you think I chose a 3 by 5 on that? Yeah, exactly. Because 3 times 5 is 15, right? So the polygon, four-sided figure, it's closed. The lines are kind of straight. They're supposed to be anyways, right? And there you got it, okay? Boom, a 3 by 5 is 15 units. 3 times 5 is 15. All right, boys, girls, we will see you later.